If your TikTok videos keep getting muted or your sound gets removed right after posting, don't worry. There is a fix, and it's actually a lot simpler than you think. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through a proven method that helps thousands of creators avoid copyright sound removals on TikTok. Let's get straight into it. So, the most common reason TikTok removes sound is copyright detection. Even if you use your own audio, TikTok's system can sometimes flag it. But there's a two-step method that solves this issue almost every time. First, we need to change one important setting inside TikTok. Open the app and head over to Settings and Privacy. Go to the Account section. If your account is currently set to personal, switch it to a business account. Don't overthink the category. Just choose any option, like Other, and continue. If TikTok prompts you to skip extra steps, simply skip them. This switch helps TikTok treat your audio differently and reduces automatic copyright flags. Once that's done, the first step is complete. Now let's move on to the part that actually fixes the video. Tap the plus button and upload the video you want to post. When the editing dashboard appears, tap on Add Sound and choose any sound from TikTok's library. It doesn't matter which one, you're not really using it. After selecting it, confirm it so TikTok loads it into your video. Next, look to the right side of the screen and tap the arrow icon to open more sound settings. Here, you'll see original sound and added sound. Increase the original sound slightly and decrease the added sound. What this does is blend your audio in a way that prevents TikTok from detecting it as copyrighted. It tricks the system, but keeps your actual sound fully audible. Once you're done adjusting, tap Done. Now post your video as usual. If you compare this new version with the original muted one, you'll notice that the sound removed warning is gone. Your audio stays intact and the video uploads without restrictions. This method works consistently as long as you follow the steps carefully. TikTok's copyright system is automatic, so balancing the audio and switching to a business account is the safest way to keep your videos fully playable. Give this method a try and you'll see a big difference in how your videos perform. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more tips, and good luck fixing your TikTok audio issues.